Oh, oh my god, did you see that, guys?
Hey everyone, it's Alan Chester. For those who don't know me, I'm a crypto investor. I work with market analysis, follow trends, test different online systems, and I'm always looking for tools where data helps make better decisions. If you're into crypto, online platforms, sports analytics, and real behind-the-scenes moments from my life, check my Telegram channel. I share a lot more there than I show on YouTube. Today, I want to show you something interesting I found recently. But before we start, make sure you watch this video until the end because there will be an extra bonus part there that completely changed my opinion about this whole process. So don't skip, the final part is actually the most important one. When people talk about online platforms, many think about crypto exchanges like Binance and Bybit. Others focus on sports prediction platforms like OneWin and 1xBet, where people use statistics, timing, and analysis to better understand possible outcomes. Recently, while researching different systems, I actually found an interesting game through ChatGPT. At first, I was just comparing analytical tools and trying to understand how AI can help in this space. And that's where I found this AI-based system. It helps analyze patterns, game behavior, and technical details that most people usually ignore. So let's open it and take a closer look.
So, okay guys, without any extra words, let's just try to do it. Okay, so I will press this button, and after this, let me press... and after this, let me just write start, guys. Okay, so I will open this one. Now it's loading. And after this, okay. When it's loaded, I need to on my sound. Okay, so now we continue.
After this, this one. So I will choose this one with small value for today. Okay, I press completed. And after this, I will choose 10 here. Okay. And after this, next step. Okay. So copy your planned seed.
Okay, so I open this game, fairness, and here I copy it and paste it here. Guys, I just want to tell you, this seed helps me to synchronize me with this bot, and without this seed, bot will not work. So double check it and be sure that you are writing here right seed. Okay, the last one is here, 107. Okay, send, and now it's loading, guys. Not found. So guys, I forgot about this. Let's do it. So I will close this one. And just let me press this blue button. Okay, this green one. After this, I will choose this and this one and just copy it. So I will go further in my wallet. I just want to choose this one. Paste it here. This like this. Okay, continue and okay. So guys, now it's processing. Let's just wait for this and let's go. Okay. After this, let me open this one again and just let's try to reload it. And so for now, nothing here. Okay. So, and reload it once more. Again. And for this moment, let's check it. Nothing. Okay, guys. Let me just try to reload it. Okay, reopen this game again, guys. So I'll close it, close anyway, and open here again. Okay, so yeah, nice. Oh my god, guys, I got it. So right now we can start. So I will set here 10 again, and I will continue. And nice, I got it. Okay, let's just start. I will fill this one, this blue button, and let's go. Boom. 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 Oh my god. And the last one. Oh my god, guys, just look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's just continue. For next round, I don't want to risk, so I will choose only this one for next one. And let's just press this. Okay. So nice. Okay, we got it, guys. So let's just continue. It's ready. So Guys, I just want to tell you, try to don't win too much games in a row, because this game can think that you are cheating, and cause of this thing I'm playing from different accounts. So let's just continue. I could see it. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god. And two more. Okay, this one. And this one, guys, just look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just check. Let me check it. Okay, nice, guys. Okay, let's just press this blue button, and after this I will choose this one. Without any extra words, let's just do it. Okay, I will choose this one. I will set, fill this, and after this I will go here. I will close. Okay, after this I will go to my wallet. Close this and send. I will go here, copy, and so after this I will paste it, and I will press this blue button. And yeah, nice, I got message about my request, guys. Let's just wait for this. While we are waiting for this, I just want to play once more, but without our setup, guys. Let me choose something like this for now. I got even message. Okay, but I want to try. Okay, this one or this one. Which of them? Okay. This. Boom. Oh my god. Boom. And oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I should choose this one. Okay. Guys, it's okay. It's okay. Just let's try to check it. I will open my wallet. I will not be sad because I could do this one. And right now I'm trying to reload it and nothing for now. Where it is? Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see that, guys? This is freaking unbelievable, guys. Just look at this. Oh my god. Wow. This is insane, guys. Whew. So guys, how I promised you, let me show you my link. And now I will show you. So I will open this one. After this, I will go here. Open this one. And yeah, guys, so you can see it here. Okay, guys, I really appreciate you for watching this video. It was Alan Chester. See you later.